can I start a raw vegetarian diet now? First of all, I'm going to ask you, are you ready? Now, you can find quite a lot of raw vegetarian places popping up everywhere. Now, you can find them, that's wonderful. But if you can't, you will have to source it yourself. First of all, raw vegetarian food involves getting the fresh fruits and veggies, root vegetables, sprouts, nuts and seeds, unprocessed and uncooked food. So you'll be able to have cold pressed olive oil, that's not a problem, or you can have pickled vegetables that's cured in the vinegars, or you can have fermented food such as miso, sauerkraut, that sort of thing. Now, the other one is that you need to consider if you have good equipment at home that will help you to make raw vegetarian food easily and yummy and delicious. I would suggest you to invest really good blender, food processor, and dehydrator. Like if you want to make some crackers, you want to make some bread or pancakes, that sort of thing, you will need to rely on really good equipment to make that, to make your diet interesting. So I hope that helped you a bit. And we all know the benefit of going on to the raw vegetarian diet is that you can enjoy more of the living enzymes and proper nutrition. So I congratulate you to make that decision. And for example, in Australia, we're moving on to the warmer climate. And in the summertime, you can make plenty of salads that's comprising, fresh fruit and veggies. That's not a problem. And you can also use other products that you can source from, exotic food places and make your food more interesting. So, if you have any comments, just ask me below or contact me if you have any more questions. And until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Greens.